वेलकम बैक टू जी चैनल। अभी हमारा टाइम हो चुका है वैसे रिपोर्टिंग का, बट हम एक बार प्रैक्टिस करके फिर ऊपर जाएंगे। तो अभी हम ग्राउंड में आए हैं। टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ।
Greetings to the bench. The council seeks permission to approach the dais.
प्रोसीड।
Much obliged. The council seeks permission to address the bench as your lordships.
प्रोसीड।
Much obliged, your lordship. If your lordships are well versed in the facts of the case, the council would like to begin with the proceedings.
या बिगिन।
Much obliged, your lordship. Your lordship, the council will be dealing with the issue number 1, which states as whether the production of PFA and related obnoxious chemicals violates the right to environment provided under Article 21 of the Constitution. The council will be dealing with this issue on a twofold manner. Firstly, by establishing that Article 21 encompasses and includes the right to environment, and secondly, that there is a violation of right to environment under Article 21, and that the release of PFA compromises the ecological balance. Your lordships, as we know that it is common knowledge that life, livelihood, society and culture are the fundamental aspects of human existence, and hence their maintenance and enhancement is a fundamental human right. Now, your lordship, I would like to state that Article 21, which is also commonly known as the heart and soul of the Constitution, as no Council would like to state the historic judgment of MC Mehta versus Union of India 1987, in which the concept of absolute liability was devised. It provides that an enterprise which is involved in inherently dangerous or hazardous industry owes an absolute and non-delegable duty towards the people working in the enterprise or living in the surrounding area. Your lordship, it is clear from the facts of the case that the respondents fall in the dangerous industry category and poses threat to the safety and health of these people working in the factory and living in the vicinity. Therefore, PFA is the reason for the disruption of the ecological balance, and this holds true because the symptoms found in the employees are only possible when someone is exposed to high levels of hydrogen fluoride at industrial sites which are involved in the PFA production. Your lordship, in the historic case of Subhash Kumar versus the state of Bihar, it was established that the right to life is a fundamental right according to the Article 21 of the Constitution, and it also includes the right to enjoyment of pollution-free water and air for full enjoyment of life. Now, moving on to the second count, which states that there is a violation of right to healthy environment under Article 21, and furthermore, the release of PFA has compromised the ecological balance. Could the loss caused to any other person who has acted in it. Therefore, the Council strongly believes that while economic development is essential, it must not come at the expense of environmental degradation and public hazards. Alternative substantial employment options can be explored that do not endanger the public health or environment. If the lordships have no further questions, can I ask my co-counsel to take over to issue number 3?
Yes, much obliged.
The council seeks permission to approach the dais.
Proceed.
The council seeks permission to address the issue 3 of this case, which is whether Chintamani Lal and Sons have gone against the canons of environmental law.
Proceed.
Much obliged, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, the council is arguing that Mr. Natwalal's factory has gone against the environmental laws, and their actions have resulted in health complications of the entire labour force, and it resulted in death of 3. Your Lordship, the damage caused by Chintamani Lal and Sons' actions is irreversible and have a long-term consequence on the environment and ecological balance of the vicinity. It is to be noted that Chintamani Lal and Sons have underwent proper environmental impact and have violated environmental clearance procedures as established in the Republic of Indica, and this is done by bribing the state environmental authorities to get clearances. Your Lordship, obtaining false compliances is clearly violative of the environmental clearance procedures, and they have undermined the effectiveness of environmental regulations in this nation. Your Lordship, it is to be noted that Chintamani Lal and Sons have not adhered to their corporate social responsibility, that is CSR. Just stating that we have provided employment opportunities for the nation does not justify the harm they have caused.
the damage, the death of 3 outweighs the benefits that they are providing by employing. Lordship, the chief medical officer investigated this case and found out that the reason for workers' ill health is hydrogen fluoride. This hydrogen fluoride is released from fluoroelastomers, which is a product present in PFAs, and this PFA is produced in the factory of Mr. Natwar Lal, that is Chintamani Lal and Sons. Your Lordship, blaming the local liquor for the ill health of workers is not at all apt, and it does not justify that on 12th December 2023, the entire labour force started vomiting blood and had to be seriously admitted to the government hospital. Your Lordship, as stated in the facts of this case, there was a great number of birds which were found dead in the vicinity of the factory. It is an indicate that the activities have resulted in emissions of harmful chemicals and pollutants into the thin air, which is clearly violative of the Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981. Your Lordship, the Council would also like to highlight that the protection of public interest is the utmost social objective of every business firm and corporate. However, Chintamani Lal and Sons have turned a blind eye and a deaf ear towards all the criticism faced and to all the concerns raised by the general public. Your Lordship, as per the Rural Litigation Entitlement Kendra versus State of UP 1985 case, this honourable court held that balancing environmental protection with social economic development of local community is very important for every industry and every factory. Now, just seeks permission to begin with the prayer. Oopsie, यहाँ पे. Okay guys, हम ऊपर जा रहे हैं. Bye. Okay. Bye. Guys, we are here. तू क्या है? गुनगुन क्यूटी टू. क्यूटी वन. अबे यार. ऐसे. गाइस, ये रिफ्रेशमेंट भी लिया मैं. कैसा हुआ? गाइस, हमारा मूड कोर्ट हो चुका है. आज प्रीलिमिनरी राउंड था एंड वी वर द पेटिशनर्स. स्पीच आपने हमारी सुनी ली होगी इन ग्लिम्पसेस जो हमने बनाई थी. एंड अंदर कोर्ट रूम में अलाउड नहीं होता रिकॉर्ड करना. जो एक आधी क्लिप ली थी वो डाल देंगे. कंटेम्प्ट ऑफ कोर्ट लग जाएगा. ठीक है, इतना हम रिस्क नहीं ले सकते. डिस्क्वालीफाई हो जाते हैं हम. तो कोर्ट रूम के अंदर हमने नहीं करा. बहुत मेहनत
डेडिकेशन तो था
बहुत ज़्यादा.
मतलब
रात को मैम अगर 8 बजे सो के उठी है तो मैम ने तो आर्ग्यूमेंट प्रिपेयर करी भी है. ठीक है. हाँ मतलब दैट इज द स्पिरिट. नहीं
सही बात है ना.
सही बात है. हमने काम भी अच्छा करा. हमारा अच्छा हुआ मूड कोर्ट. सो और फर्स्ट टाइम हमारा दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट मूड कोर्ट.
हमारा अच्छा हुआ. और अब हम वेट कर रहे हैं रिजल्ट्स का ताकि हम क्वालिफायर राउंड्स में जा पाएँ. फिर हम जाएंगे रिस्पोंडेंट साइड से.
शायद
यार पेटिशनर ही मिलना चाहिए.
अगर देखें तो पेटिशनर केस जीता हुआ है इस मूड कोर्ट में. आई थिंक व्हाट मैटर्स इज हाउ यू आर प्रेजेंटिंग योर आर्गुमेंट. तो
यू शुड बिलीव व्हाट यू आर सेइंग, व्हाट यू आर स्टेटिंग. पॉइंट्स आपके ऐसे
जो जज पे बंदा बैठा है ना, जज की सीट पे, उसको इन्फ्लुएंस कर देना है कि हाँ ब्रो हम कह रहे हैं तो
मान.
और वो मानना चाहिए. तो आप
प्रेस कर दो बस उसको.
हाँ,
और अपने हाथ.
दैट इज द की. मेरे हाथ पे दर्द हो गया. हो रहा है. ये रीटेक है क्योंकि हमारी फर्स्ट वाली क्लिप थोड़ी डिस्कार्ड हो गई. ओके.
हाँ,
क्या बोला था?
कॉन्फिडेंस.
हाँ, कॉन्फिडेंस एक्चुअली इज द की. और हमने बहुत ही कॉन्फिडेंटली अपने आप को प्रेजेंट करा, अपनी आर्ग्यूमेंट्स प्रेजेंट करी. सो वी थिंक वी आर
एक्सपेक्टिंग
टू गेट क्वालिफाइड.
बट ये उल्टा भी पड़ सकता है. So we never know.
अगर हम क्वालिफाई हुए तो ये मैं काट दूँगी. ठीक है. Guys, be confident and that is your key to success. And also believe in what you are saying and try to make the other person believe in what you are saying. That is the key. Hi. share, comment and subscribe.